Investing in ISAs, or individual savings accounts, is a tax-efficient way to save or invest money in the UK. ISAs allow you to earn interest, dividends, or capital gains without paying tax, making them a powerful tool for building wealth over time. Each tax year, you can contribute up to the ISA allowance, which is £20,000 for 2023 to 2024. This limit can be spread across different types of ISAs or focused on one, depending on your goals. There are four main types of ISAs: cash ISAs, stocks and shares ISAs, lifetime ISAs, and innovative finance ISAs. Cash ISAs work like regular savings accounts, but with tax-free interest. They are low risk and ideal for those seeking safety and easy access to their money. For instance, if you deposit £10,000 in a cash ISA with a 3% interest rate, you'll earn £300 annually tax-free. Stocks and shares ISAs let you invest in the stock market, offering higher potential returns but with greater risk. For example, investing £5,000 in a stocks and shares ISA that grows 7% annually could increase to £7,000 in 5 years, with no tax on the gains. Lifetime ISAs, leases, are designed for first-time homebuyers or retirement savings. You can contribute up to £4,000 per year, and the government adds a 25% bonus. For example, saving £4,000 annually earns a £1,000 bonus, giving you £5,000 total. However, withdrawals for non-eligible purposes incur penalties. Innovative finance ISAs allow investment in peer-to-peer lending, potentially offering higher returns, but with the risk of borrower defaults. The benefits of ISAs include tax-free growth, flexibility, and accessibility. Many ISAs, like cash ISAs and stocks and shares ISAs, allow withdrawals anytime, though some, like lifetime ISAs, have restrictions. Opening an ISA is simple. You must be a UK resident aged 16 or older for cash ISAs and 18 or older for other types. ISAs can be set up through banks, building societies, or investment platforms, many of which provide online tools to manage your account. ISAs are also great for long-term planning. For example, parents can open a junior ISA (JISA) for their child, contributing up to £9,000 annually. The savings grow tax-free and become accessible to the child at age 18. However, ISAs are not entirely risk-free. Stocks and shares ISAs depend on market performance, meaning their value can fluctuate. Lifetime ISAs impose penalties for unauthorized withdrawals, and innovative finance ISAs carry default risks. Choosing the right ISA depends on your financial goals, time frame, and risk tolerance. In summary, ISAs are a versatile and tax-efficient way to save and invest in the UK. With options like cash ISAs for security, stocks and shares ISAs for growth, and lifetime ISAs for specific goals, ISAs cater to a wide range of financial needs. By utilizing your annual allowance and aligning your choice of ISA with your objectives, you can efficiently grow your wealth and achieve your financial goals.